Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech, and now I have a Dell Inspiron 15 series 3000 3000 series laptop, and this laptop is Bitlocker program is locked. The files on this laptop have Windows 10 original, and some hardware issue it was the lock the file, and you can find that Microsoft account, this Bitlocker recovery key. If you sign in the Microsoft account on another device, and you can find the Bitlocker key. So another way I try to recover the files, I press F2, power off the device, and press F2, and then I have go to settings. So how can I change the BIOS from UEFI to the legacy boot? Because I have a Windows 7, Windows 8 USB bootable device, so I can make the legacy boot. So here is not available legacy boot. So first I have to go to the security and go to the down PTT security, and you can see here is the PTT security 1, and I have to make it off, apply, okay, and then I have to go in the secure boot, and you can see the secure boot enable, so I have to make it disable, press yes, apply, and save change, okay. And now I have to go to the boot option, and you can see here is the legacy boot UE boot option, or down advanced boot, and I have to make it legacy boot option enable, and okay, and now I go to the boot request, and you can see here is the legacy boot is enabled now. So guys, you have to press apply, save, and exit. I have a USB is Windows 8 or 7 bootable. I can use this USB on this laptop for make the normal boot, because this laptop have only boot before a UE boot. So I press the F2, and you can see here is the USB storage device, okay. So I have to go boot in USB storage device, and now it will be loading boot from the USB, and here is the Windows 8 and Windows 7 mini. So I go to the Windows 8 mini. So guys, now is loading the Windows. So if your Windows damage any laptop, you want to recover the files without format, before format, you can use this software. This is very important software, and the software name is Hidden Boot Mini Windows. So guys, you can see Windows is opening. Just wait a few seconds for open Windows. And guys, you can see here is the Windows 8.1 mini is working, and guys, you see also the C drive is locked. So if you have the Bitlocker, you can't remove your files from the hard disk. So you need to find the Bitlocker key from your Microsoft account, or otherwise you have to format your hard disk. After that, you can use your laptop, or you can change the hard disk, you can use your laptop. So guys, if you have another problem, Windows damage, not loading the Windows, you can open C drive or D drive, you can copy the files in this way. So guys, you can see here is the Microsoft option. You open the Microsoft option, and down you can see manage the recovery key there, and it is the protect for the Microsoft account, this Bitlocker. So, and just put that key, and you can use your laptop. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.